is me, Ahmed Swifi from International Lighthouse Arabic Academy. Today we are going to take a very important lesson. I know you'll like it, about airplanes in Arabic. If you are going to travel in Arabic-speaking countries and for vacation or for business, so you need to know many phrases and many words that you can use in a flight, and especially maybe you find one of the crew speaking Arabic and you need really help for your issues, luggage, or your things that you need, like a boarding pass. So what you are going to say and how you say it, be with me and let's go. So what we are going to do now is to give a very essential phrases and words about airport, and it's in colloquial and Egyptian Arabic language. And by the way, some of them are so common and common between Arabic classic and colloquial Egyptian Arabic. So what we have here, and we can use it, in any Arabic country. So bawaba is the gate. The gate. El-Jamarik, say with me, El-Jamarik is customs. Salat al-Wusul is the arrival hall. When you are landing with your flight, your airplane, Salat al-Wusul, that you expect people expect you. So Salat al-Mughadara is a departure hall. Salat al-Mughadara. Khuruj is exit, and of course the opposite one. Khuruj, it's exit, and dukhul, it's the entrance. Dukhul is the entrance. Matar is airport. Matar is airport, and like in Cairo airport we say Matar el-Qahira el-Dawli. So Matar el-Qahira el-Dawli, the international Cairo airport. Matar is the airport, Cairo international. But we say like in the opposite way, in the other direction. We say like Matar el-Qahira el-Dawli. Matar el-Qahira el-Dawli is the international el-Dawli and Cairo airport. You see. So now here are some important questions that you will need when you're checking in to ask at the counter. Listen to each word and its English translation and repeat the words aloud, please. Repeat with me. أقدر آخد كم شنطة معايا؟ أقدر آخد كم شنطة معايا؟ أقدر, how many pieces? It's أقدر means can I? أقدر. آخد take, can I take? How many? Can, like we say that can means just how many, and when we add prefix it will be become. So أقدر آخد كم شنطة. شنطة it's a bag, and luggage or baggage, it's a feminine because it has this ending a. معايا is with me, so it would be like this. أقدر آخد كم شنطة معايا. أقدر آخد كم شنطة معايا. Of course, many airports have only two. Many airlines, they just allow you to take like two bags, So maybe in some places you need to ask first. So مدة صلاحية الفيزا قد إيه؟ Okay, مدة it's it means a period, literally means a period, and here it means how long. So of course we have another word for how long, which is we can say at the age, just how long, but we put here as a period first. So say مدة صلاحية. صلاحية means valid, the visa valid for how long. الفيزا قد إيه. So مدة صلاحية الفيزا قد إيه. How long the visa valid for. How long the visa valid for. هحتاج visa. So do I need the visa? Because in some countries you just can allow you to come, and once you land in this country you can just ask the visa and it will be given to you in so easily way. I'm talking about Egypt, by the way. You can just give you a visa once you are in the Egyptian airport. So you just you don't need to ask the visa before you take your flight. So can I take, do I need a visa? هحتاج. ها, this is a prefix for the future tense, like هاكل, هعمل, I will do, I will eat, هاكل. So I just add ha on verb هحتاج to express about the future tense, like will I. It's like this, will I, will I need a visa? So it's really like, do I need a visa here? But scientists, it's here means for future tense. So رحلة زحمة, I mean, it's a flight. It's very busy because maybe you need, don't need many people, and you need, the environment to be more calm and to be more comfortable for you. Just you don't need زحمة. زحمة means a crowd, traffic, something like this. So it's رحلة زحمة. رحلة means a flight, or means a tour, by the way. The trip means many things, the same, like tour or trip, it's the same for Arabic. الرحلة زحمة, it's busy. So هتقدموا وجبة سخنة, of course, you need a hot meal, and you ask them, will you serve a hot meal? Like, هتقدموا, you see, will you, you see this prefix, it's for the future tense, will you. هتقدموا, the verb is تقدموا, and when we add this prefix it becomes a future tense. So هتقدموا وجبة سخنة. وجبة means meal and hot meal, and again we will say that's the adjective, or when you describe a noun, you first put the noun and then the adjective. So وجبة is a meal, and hot سخنة, it's the opposite. On the other hand, you see here in English first the adjective and then the noun. No, here in Arabic the noun first and secondly is the adjective سخنة. So الترانزيت. الترانزيت means a stop. The transit. الترانزيت, the stop at A, or الترانزيت at A. How long is a stop over? How long is a stop over? Now you are going to ask about the whole thing, a whole tour, a whole travel, the flight. So طول الرحلة قد إيه؟ طول الرحلة قد إيه? How long is a flight? How long is a flight? طول, how long? We say طول or مدة. Remember, we can say مدة or طول. It gives you the same meaning. الرحلة قد إيه? Okay, now you ask them about when you should be, or when do I have to be at the gate, okay, because they have to be in time. So أكون, I will, it means أكون, I will. أكون إمتى, or like أكون, I will when at the gate. So it will be, it's literally like this, but when do I have to be at the gate? أكون إمتى عند البوابة. أكون إمتى عند البوابة. Some people prefer window seats, like especially me, even, and not just in flights and airplanes, it's even for taxi or for buses. So some want to sit close to the aisle, and I always ask for window seats. That's why I can get the first impression of the city we are going to land from above, whichever one you prefer. Maybe some people are so panicked to just sit and see everything in above, so which people are very scared about it. But for some people like me, I like this view. So أنا عايز, or أنا عايزة, it's for female. أنا عايزة كرسي جنب الشباك. لو سمحتي, or لو سمحتي, you are going to, of course, you are going to give the speech to a steward, which is mostly, of course, women. So you have to give her like the speech لو سمحتي, not لو سمحت, because you are giving the speech to a woman anyway. So I would like to have a seat, to have a window seat, or seat beside the window. So we say in English أنا عاوز or أنا عاوزة if you are a woman, or أنا عايزة or عاوزة, by the way, is the same word, I want. So we can say عاوز or عايز, or عايزة for woman, or عايز for a man. كرسي seat جنب الشباك, beside the window. أنا عايزة كرسي جنب الشباك. Again, أنا عايزة كرسي جنب الشباك لو سمحتي. Okay, isol seat. Isol seat it's كرسي على الطرف. كرسي على الطرف. Of course you don't like the view, the window view, so كرسي على الطرف. كرسي جنب الشباك. كرسي جنب الشباك. Okay, window seat. كرسي على الطرف. كرسي على الطرف. Isol seat. So here is some possible answer you may get, like شنطتك تقيلة قوي. Your luggage is too heavy. Your luggage is too heavy. Maybe you are not allowed to get so heavy. Of course, it depends on the weight, but maybe it's too heavy. It's maybe give you a long time for checking. So تقدري تاخدي شنطة واحدة بس. You can only take one piece of hand luggage. تقدري تاخدي شنطة واحدة. تقدري you can take تاخدي you can تقدري تاخدي شنطة واحدة one. So هنقدم وجبة خفيفة وعشاء. We will serve a cold snack. Remember when you ask about do you serve a hot meal, بتقدموا وجبة سخنة. So now the answer come هنقدم وجبة خفيفة وعشاء. We will serve a cold snack and dinner.
And that's all for this lesson. Okay, I hope this lesson will be very useful for you. Don't forget to hit this button to subscribe in my page and to subscribe in my channel on YouTube, Connect Arabic, and also my page facebook.com/connectarabic, same, or facebook.com/Ahmed Swefi official. You can also sign up for my online courses and my DVD, www.ilarabicacademy.com. That was Ahmed Swefi, and meet you in another lesson. مع السلامة.